Hello everyone, thank you for coming by to our poster presentation. Here we will be talking about schizotypy and how it's related to learning from absent information. So schizotypy is a latent personality organization related with psychotic-like experience. We all are in in different degrees schizotypal. And also, schizotypy is related with superstitious beliefs, bias against disconfirmatory evidence, jumping to conclusions, among other biases. So, when people judge the association between two stimuli, the mutual presence of the stimuli is important in order to assess their relatedness. But in addition to that, mutual absence of the stimuli also is informative for the overall correlation between the stimuli. So in figure 1, we show how do we calculate the correlation, delta P, or contingency, in these tasks. And in these experiments, we believe that by increasing the number of mutually absent events, people will increase their judgments. But in addition, we wanted to explore how does schizotypical people incorporate into their judgments the absent information. So we've done 2 experiments with a rapid streaming procedure task where participants were exposed to rapid trials for each condition, and they were asked to rate the relationship between 2 stimuli at the end of each condition. We manipulate the number of co-absent events or trials between the conditions, and we present the results in figure 2. The 2 experiments were consistent in the ratings or the judgments, the behavior. So where by increasing the number of absent events where no stimuli were presented, people increase their judgments on relating the 2 stimuli. This was true even though we maintained constant the number of times that participants saw the mutual presence of the stimuli. So participants believe that 2 stimuli are more associated just by presenting mutual absence of the stimuli. But in addition to that, schizotypal participants were less sensitive to this, so they do not take into consideration the mutual absence of the stimuli. In order to test this mechanistic explanation, we fit a hierarchical Bayesian Rescorla-Wagner model where we fit 2 learning rates, one learning rate for the present stimuli and the other for the absent stimuli, and we were expecting the absent stimuli learning rate were negatively correlated with schizotypy, which was the case for experiment 2 but was not for experiment 1. So our modeling result is not consistent, but our behavioral results shows a lower sensitivity to absent information. We're still working on the modeling, and well, that's it. Thank you for listening.